2026. It has been declared the year of trash tech, where engineered obsolescence dictates our buying habits, where most devices are simply disposable. It is a calculated erosion of value, designed to keep us perpetually on the upgrade treadmill. Yet, among the tide of temporary solutions, a defiant counterpoint emerges. The Bebird Earsight Plus R37R. It is a rare instrument built to challenge that very premise. For high-performing professionals, time is a non-renewable asset. This device is not merely a tool, but a calculated acquisition of minutes, reclaiming them from frustrating, imprecise tasks. Consider its advanced camera system. The 3P waterproof, dustproof, and anti-fog high-definition imager, integrated into a precisely flexible otoscope, ensures an immediate, crystal-clear view, buying back critical minutes from a frustrating chore that once demanded guesswork or multiple reattempts. No more struggling with blurred vision or compromised angles. Secondly, the integrated safety protocol, featuring a soft silicone coating, a secure spiral tip, and a built-in safety scale with a protective stopper, eliminates hesitation and the mental overhead of risk assessment. This instant confidence translates directly into time saved, bypassing the anxiety of potential damage and avoiding costly medical follow-ups. Finally, the comprehensive nature of this kit, with its 4 types of cleaning tips for both wet and dry ears, combined with the precision camera integrated tweezers, and even an ear, nose, and throat checkup capability, condenses a suite of single-purpose instruments into one cohesive system. This strategic consolidation liberates precious time, preventing the need for multiple purchases, frequent medical visits for minor checks, or the frustrating search for specialized tools. In your hand, the main body of this instrument feels purpose-built. It is not light, nor should it be. The core unit, extending approximately 6.5 inches from the grip, carries an industrial heft, signaling its internal engineering. The probe itself, slender yet resilient, bends with an intelligent give, a tactile assurance of its flexible polymer and high-strength alloy core. When secured in its compact travel case, approximately 4 inches by 2 inches by 1.5 inches, the entire assembly settles with a reassuring weight, just over 1.5 pounds. This is a zero-flex chassis, crafted from dense, cold aluminum, not flimsy plastic. It speaks to a commitment to structural integrity, a defiance of the lightweight fragility that plagues lesser devices. It is built to endure years of professional application, not just a season. Now, some may find the deliberate tactile feedback from its flexible probe and the nuanced control demanded by its camera-integrated tweezers a slight departure from simpler, less discerning instruments. This is not a point-and-shoot device. It requires a measure of deliberate interaction, a subtle hand, a professional's touch. But this perceived complexity, for the expert, translates directly into unparalleled accuracy and absolute safety, a trade-off that prioritizes longevity and efficacy over a superficial ease of use. It is a tool that rewards mastery. Global stock levels for precision instruments like the Bebird Earsight Plus R37R, particularly those not built for rapid obsolescence, remain unpredictable in 2026. Supply chain pressures and fluctuating demand could shift availability and market value without warning. Strategic acquisition is key. I put the link below so you can check the current 2026 price and stock.